Okay, we're gonna go over how to draw Rainbow Friends Roblox character purple. So let's get started, okay? I'm gonna go over here. It's gonna be for beginners, by the way, so you can follow along with me. Let's do a circle. Kind of, doesn't really matter where on the page it is, but I would say keep it like a moderate size there, nothing too wild. And I understand if you have trouble with the circle, you can draw it in pieces, right? You can draw like maybe a corner here. Keep going until you have something that resembles a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Don't forget, hit the like if you're a fan of Roblox. Sorry, it's hard for me to pronounce it. I'm kind of sick right now, getting over a cold. But if you're a fan, hit that like button. It's gonna let me know what to post more of, okay? If you like it, I will post more of it. Check out the Roblox character tutorial in the the playlist in the description. So from there, we're gonna draw his body, which is basically a stick. So I'm gonna curve down right here. Gonna go over here again. He's got like a slightly thicker torso than his limbs, but still a very thin, very thin body. Gonna go down here, leave a space. Okay, gonna go right here and draw a curve around that point. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the legs out here. Well, I'm gonna draw the arms first. So we're gonna have one arm pop here and come forward, right here. Just kind of curve it like that. Over here, pulling out. Down over here, the lines. Now we're going to go to the fingers. Curve right here for the thumb. Go right down here for the pointer finger. Next finger. And over here, that finger. I'm gonna give him like four fingers, you know? Kind of like a Simpson character. Alright, got one hand. We're gonna go over here and draw the other hand, which is gonna be kind of pulled back a little bit, like he's gonna, I don't know, like grab, like he's gonna, like, how do you call it, where he's, looks like he's gonna punch, but he's not really gonna punch. So we go over here, we're gonna curve right there. Out. Curve. One finger. Up. I'm gonna put a split right here in this to make it two fingers. See that right there, like a split. Do you see it? Right on. Stay with me. Don't worry, stay with me here. Curve back. Promise this will all come together. Curve in for the other finger, like the pointer finger. Pull up. Now on this side, we're gonna draw the opposing thumb right here. Curve. Then now we're gonna draw the arm all the way up. Cool. Gonna go over here on this side, curve out, curve right here, up, line right there. Gonna go over here and I'm going to, that's one leg, right? He went behind the arm, so just gonna keep that in mind. Curve back. Keep staying here because we're gonna go over the face. Also, do not forget, if you like learning how to draw in general, like you want to get your lines cleaner, you want to learn maybe how to draw, people of any type, more realistic figures to cartoon figures, go check out the Skillshare link in the description, okay? I go over basically cartoons, I go over realistic anatomy. I'm gonna over here pull out for one toe. Gonna go over here, keep pulling over here. I'm gonna go over here for the far end toe. Line over here, out. Line over here, out. So you got the four toes as well. But like I said, if you want to take your drawing overall up a notch, because I know we go over specific characters here, but if you want to go up a notch in general, go check out that Skillshare, okay? Now I'm gonna go over here on this side. Line up right here for the leg. Curve right there. Again, he's wiggly. You don't really have to worry about the knees and bending stuff like that. Gonna go over here. It's like you're drawing like a bendy straw or a bendy like gum or something. You're gonna probably see the leg over here, between that, over here on this side. Curve over here. Line over here on this side for the heel. Go over here, curve for the foot. I mean the toe. Another toe right there. Toes obviously shorter than the fingers. 4 toes, remember that, okay? Good stuff. Now let's go over here. I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes, okay? Again, if you're having a hard time, so they're pretty big, so I'm going to maybe, you can even do this, like put 2 dots, if you're drawing with a Sharpie as well, 2 dots right there where the middle of the eyes are going to be so they don't run into each other, and then you're going to curve right there. It's a small trick to kind of, you know, you can even put the dot on the outside too, the dot you're going to aim at. Put like half circle right there. Go over here, continue that circle right there. Same thing on this side. Let's put the top, the circle right here. Over here underneath, the exact same thing. Cool, cool. Now there needs to be another circle inside, so I'm going to mark out those, like right there as well. Put marks for where I want to hit. Line over here, line over here. If you want to do more, like you need more of a guide, go to the top right here as well. And the bottom, almost like, right? So now all I have to do is connect the dots in a curve right there. You're matching the curve on the outside of that curve. Over here on this side, match that curve. Match that curve. I do this a lot actually. With drawings, just kind of make stuff match. So over here, and it's sometimes you just, you know, you need that dexterity, you need that extra help. We all do sometimes. So right there, and now we're gonna fill in with dark right here with black, that pupil and iris together. I hope you kind of enjoy this kind of tutorials. I don't think I've ever played. Have I played Roblox? I don't think I have. I'd like to. Alright, there you go. This is purple from Roblox. If you want, you can throw maybe like you can thicken up a couple of lines to kind of, you know, make it a little bit more precise, you know. You can even throw like a line around the outside border like I do, but you don't really need to do that. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this is awesome for you. One more thing before you leave, don't forget, we have coloring books. Go take a look at those coloring books. There is a lot of cool stuff in those coloring books, okay? If you like coloring, because we're kind of more or less making our own coloring books here, I put out 1 new coloring book per week on Amazon.com. Go check out the link below. There's a lot of cool stuff. If you're a soccer fan, there's soccer coloring books of cats and climbing, and I just keep adding stuff on there. So go take a look at that right now if you like coloring, okay? Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Talk to you soon.